Oh my god.
Oh, he sounds like he's growling.
Yo, Vochi, you want to come up any faster, bro?
Go.
Let's push them.
Don't push them. I'm not there yet. Don't leave me out. Come on, guys. Guys, don't leave me out.
They won. They won the 2v3s, I think.
Oh. Am I not needed?
Yo, pause. Yo, pause. Yo, pause. I don't have blocks.
Nice.
I'm not trying to clutch with my sword.
No.
Oh, okay.
Can someone give me blocks?
Yeah, I
Yo,
got
Mochi.
you.
Thank
Bro,
you, I
you're
love
so
you.
laggy.
Yeah, you're like teleporting
Like, you're like
everywhere.
teleporting. Like,
Bro, I hit you.
How you guys like just
I literally
playing
hit you.
normally?
What the fuck?
Like there's not a guy sleeping in the call snoring.
I don't know.
Oh my god.
This game is like.
Bro,
Guys, think.
Oh.
we're literally fine.
Wait. Walk out.
Wait, who
Oh
is that?
wait, what?
Oh.
Wait,
my
pause.
God.
And a pause.
Wait, pause for a
Pause.
second.
I don't have blocks.
So, wait, pause.
Wait, where's Hannah?
Like up. Wait,
Wait,
please
I'm
don't hit
dead.
me. No.
Okay.
You know what? I
Wait,
would have
can
said
you
the
wait for
same
me to
thing. I would have
regen?
not hit you if you didn't kill me last round. I'm not
No,
gonna lie.
I'm sorry.
Wait, is our bed gone?
Wait.
There's no
wait,
shot.
Wait.
What the hell?
Wait.
Yo, welcome, Liam. You see that spot I made for you?
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't hear him because Min's snoring is too loud. So I didn't hear the full damage sound.
I need to turn that down, dude. I'm muting, man.